Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use and how to get the natural oil refiner in Icarus. First of all, go to the tech tree and make sure you got the manufacturer with the aluminum screw, oil can and natural oil refiner unlocked. Also you'll need the organic extractor and the biofuel pipe tool to use the natural oil refiner. Now go to the manufacturer. And as you can see, you'll need 40 steel ingots, which can be made in the mortar and pestle. You'll get the steel bloom, which can be then smelted into steel ingots. Nextly, you'll need glass, which can be made from silica ore or sand in a concrete furnace or higher. Refined wood can be made in the carpentry bench from some normal wood. Then electronics can be made from copper wire, gold wire, organic resin and epoxy. You'll need 20 of those and 25 copper wire and aluminum screws, which can be made in the manufacturer from some aluminum ingots. So once you've gathered all the materials and crafted the natural oil refiner, find a suitable place, place it down. Now with the biofuel pipe tool, you'll connect it to your organic extractor and also not necessary but useful in the flow meter to see how much biofuel you got stored and how much you're using. Secondly, you'll need the electricity tool and connect it to your electric grid. Now as you can see in the organic extractor we got some stored biofuel, but it's not using it. Also you'll need the oil can, which is then placed in the inventory so that it has somewhere to store the oil it is making. And as you can see, it's taking the biofuel from the extractor and turning it into oil and storing it inside of the oil can. So this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.